Hello guys, Life Hackster here. If you have any of the Wyze Floodlight cameras, their version 1, version 2, and their Pro, now you can use and install one without needing a junction box. Then I have the Wyze Floodlight Cam Plug-in mount. Inside this bag here, we have some mounting screws and plastic anchors. We have some foam covers. We have the mount itself, and it has a 20-foot cable with a 2-prong flat plug. So this is not grounded, and you only have to connect 2 wires. And also comes with a separate piece for the Floodlight Cam Pro, which is a silicone or rubber gasket. And also comes with a longer central screw. And lastly, you will get a quick start guide. To install, and this can also be installed horizontally or under the eaves, but I'll demo a wall install. Just screw in the mount using the 2 included screws. And you can cover the screwed in areas with the foam pieces. For a Wyze Cam Floodlight version 1 or the version 2 install, just hang the floodlight with the hook, and there's a notch here where the hook rests. And we only have to wire in 2 wires, white to white or neutral, and I'll use the wire nuts here because I'll show you here in a bit. Do a tug test to make sure the connection is good. And same thing, black to black or hot wire. Wyze actually designed this that you can snap in the wire nuts on the mount itself, like so. And the other one, nice, a clean, organized wiring. Then just push in the floodlight to the mount and secure it with its existing central screw. And screw it in tight. And push back in the rubber screw cap that came with the floodlight. Wyze uses the 1 central screw mounting, which a lot of other floodlight cams are using. But Wyze states that this plug-in mount will only work with their floodlights. I might test this out with other brands, but because this mount is designed just for Wyze, you will see that the floodlight has a pretty good weather sealing on the mount. Now for the Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro, it comes with this silicone piece for weatherproofing, because you don't have to install the bracket that it came with. Just align it so it fits the mount. Hang the floodlight and wire it in like earlier, white to white and black to black. Place the wire nuts in place, and now you will need to use the longer central screw that's provided with the mount to screw in the Floodlight Pro to the mount. So now you don't need a junction box to use any of the Wyze's floodlight cameras. Just do some wire management, and this mount didn't come with wire clips, but you can use this coax cable clips if you can screw in the cable to the wall. And now just to be clear, because you have exposed wiring, and before anyone can cut the wire or unplug, the camera gang can start commenting, just a note, more than likely before anybody can cut or unplug the camera, they were already detected and notifications sent to the owner. And with Wyze, a recording was also uploaded to the cloud. And now for those that says that anyone can unplug it, most outdoor outlets have this type of cover that you can lock with a padlock. And to those that like to cut stuff, well, they can try. 120 volt shorted out will either trip the breaker first, but usually there will be a pop and spark first. But you can always use a wire raceway or conduit to protect the cable. But now you have the flexibility in using Wyze's Wyze Cam Floodlight version 1 or their version 2 and even their Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro without needing a junction box and using this plug-in mount. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.